Hello everyone, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram bot not working. So first thing you should do is to simply open your Play Store. Then what you should do is to simply search for Telegram. So I'm gonna search here for Telegram, and after that you should go to the Telegram application and click on update right here. You should update your Telegram, and after that you can simply fix the issue. If it is not fixed, you can go to the second method. Now the second method is to simply open your mobile settings, and after that you should search for apps, tap on apps. Then what you should do is to click on manage apps and search for Telegram. Now click on Telegram, and now what you should do is to go to storage. Then I want you to click on clear data and clear the cache. So I'm gonna click on clear cache, then click on OK. Then you can simply go back and see if the issue is fixed or not. If it's not fixed, you can simply uninstall the application, then reinstall it again. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.